Stay to the end to see an amazing video about the Metaverse. So me and Mike Smart, we went into the Metaverse to have a business meeting. We also had a presentation about all things communities and meta builders. We had a discussion about all the things that we had coming up, all the things that we've been working on, and all of the hot topics that have been going on in the Web3 industry. If you're looking to level up your brand or your business, then you need to bring those into the Metaverse. If you want to do this yourself and utilize these virtual environments, then reach out at meta-builders.com, or you can also reach out at communityofcommunities.world. Walk with us to our studio, take a look at our Metaverse podcast. Here you can see me and Mike Smart sat down for a conversation in the Metaverse. As you can see, there are so many fun, engaging ways for you to engage with your colleagues, your clients, and your communities. We do this in many different ways for many different reasons, and it definitely showcases our skill sets. We can upload images, we can also upload video content, and we can also live stream these events anywhere on any platform at any time. Obviously, we're not always super serious. We also enjoy ourselves, as that's what the Metaverse is all about. After we'd burnt off our virtual calories, we sat down for a great conversation about all things Web3, and then we moved over to what Mike Smart had been working on. Now it's time for a short video called Introduction to the Metaverse.
Introduction to the Metaverse. Welcome to Introduction to the Metaverse, a journey into the next frontier of technology and human interaction. What is the Metaverse? The Metaverse is a collective virtual space, a convergence of augmented reality, virtual reality, and the internet. It's a digital universe where people can interact, communicate, and explore in real time. History of the Metaverse. The idea of the Metaverse has been around for decades, with science fiction authors and visionaries dreaming of interconnected virtual worlds. It gained momentum with the rise of early virtual reality technologies and found its way into pop culture through iconic movies and books. Evolution of the Metaverse. Over the years, the Metaverse has evolved from simple text-based environments to sophisticated 3D virtual worlds. Platforms like Second Life, VR chat, and social media apps have played a crucial role in shaping its growth. The multiverse versus the metaverse. It's essential to understand that the metaverse and the multiverse are different concepts. The multiverse represents multiple parallel universes, while the metaverse is an interconnected digital space where people interact. The metaverse today. Today, the metaverse is flourishing with millions of users exploring digital realms, attending virtual concerts, working remotely, and conducting business meetings, all within a shared virtual environment. Potential impact on industries. The metaverse's potential impact spans across multiple industries. It revolutionizes gaming experiences, transforms the way we learn, enhances healthcare practices, influences fashion, and opens up new opportunities for businesses. Gaming in the metaverse. In the metaverse, gaming reaches new heights. It's not just about playing games but creating immersive experiences where players can live out their fantasies and connect with a global community of gamers. Education in the metaverse. Education becomes more accessible and engaging in the metaverse. Students can participate in virtual field trips, collaborate on projects, and receive personalized learning experiences. Healthcare in the metaverse. The metaverse has immense potential in healthcare. It enables remote consultations, lifelike medical simulations, and virtual therapies for mental health support. Fashion in the metaverse. The fashion industry embraces the metaverse, offering virtual clothing and accessories, allowing people to express themselves creatively in the digital realm. Business and the metaverse. Businesses leverage the metaverse for virtual conferences, interactive product launches, and innovative marketing strategies, reaching global audiences like never before. Conclusion. The metaverse is not just a technological concept, it's a vision of the future. As we continue exploring this digital frontier, the possibilities are limitless, and it's up to us to shape its potential. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the metaverse. Stay curious, stay connected, and keep exploring.